Benison Co Ltd, established in era of industry replacing agriculture with cheap wage since 1962. It was an intelligent, practical, and hardworking age. Benison started a family business, but we become a business family by half-century developing. Since 1962, we always regard our staffs and clients same as family members to give them the most honest and best quality service and products. We also follow 3 core concepts: sincerity, perseverance, and confidence to upgrade technology and competitiveness. Benison has tried the warmest heart, as same as treating our family, to keep developing and innovating with vertical integration and move forward to combine sales of material and machinery. We focus on producing and printing of package material, meanwhile manufacturing and R&D of packaging machinery. We want to be the best consultant of packaging solution for our clients and refine company reputation. We have the idea to insist quality as same as the mindset to insist protecting our home. We have highest level quality control, most accurate professional technology, and various printing service. It is our commitment to have standardized consistent work with strict quality management and quick lead time. Benison Co Ltd keep researching and developing new technology and product. Benison also focus on stable quality and service innovation. We have aggressive creativity to own lots of patents for printing technology. Furthermore, Benison Co Ltd accumulate more than 40-year experience to promote our R&D to match market requirement for packaging machinery. Now, we have latest manufacturing technology of auto-label sleeve applicator, auto-cartoning machine, horizontal flow wrapper, and shrink wrapping systems. The low defect rate and high-quality production to help us spread overseas market. Benison machinery products are certified by CE in year 2000. We have already set up one-stop service to all our clients for packaging machine and material, and lead us toward bright growing. Besides domestic subsidiaries, Benison has global service net over all 7 continents with more than 50 countries and 3 branches companies in Philippines, Thailand, and China. We are working hard to develop global market and increase media coverage by participating in international exhibitions to expand our staff's view and professional knowledge. Our team share professional experience to each other. It can help our workers be able to learn, grow, and develop individual capability. Every year, Benison holds many events trying to connect and encourage all our departments working together. Benison has established since a small firm with few workers, but we are now becoming a business family with hundreds staffs. We always keep a strong faith that staffs are our important properties, so we are doing hard to build a very friendly working environment to help create an aggressive and professional team. With continuous growing, Benison utilized long-term professional experience, keeping to develop latest technology, and lead it to artificial intelligence and toward to match Industry 4.0. Not only we provide comprehensive packaging turnkey system, but we are also consultant of total solution for our customers to help them integrate packaging requirement of material and equipment. Moreover, we assist our customers to design and plan the automatic production, with newest packaging technology. Benison is keeping development and innovation to create high-quality service, satisfying our clients. To reinforce good relationship with our business partners, we supply not just excellent service, but we also hold packaging technology seminars on North, Mid, and South of Taiwan annually to enhance the technology exchange with our customers and keep them latest market trend. Benison's efforts are seen and encouraged by government and many reputable associations. We receive lots of awards, such as Little Giant, to cite for brilliant exporting performance. We are also certified by ISO 9001, ISO 22000, HALA, and CE, etc. All our manufacturing procedure and products do match National Environmental Protection Standard. We install an RTO on our factory to save energy and protect the green world. We also insist an operating concept that is, what we take, what we feed back to set up the sustainable cooperation. We always run the business with three core values of products: packaging material, packaging machinery, and professional service. We try to improve continuously to guide the market keeping forward and make Benison be your most reliable partner.